When it comes to home DIY, sometimes DIY is building an addition to your house, or building a deck, or building something in your house. But sometimes it's actually yard work, because not everybody does the yard work themselves. Sometimes you pay to have a service come and take care of it. Well, today I wanted to show you something I purchased that I've really enjoyed with the DIY concept outside, picking up walnuts. More specifically, the black walnuts from this black walnut tree that is in full bloom right now in this time of year, and has put countless walnuts on my ground. And so in this video, I wanted to show you this new tool that I have. Makes things very simple and makes doing it yourself much easier versus having to pay somebody to come do it for you. So quite simply, it is this little yard tool. It comes in pieces, you put it together and you push it on the ground, and you see this spins, but it's got these wire wheels that open up. These wires are very flexible, but it is like a cage, and the idea is you find your walnuts. So here we have some, and this is empty. I like this one specifically because it's built better, it's wider, it can hold a lot more, and it has a release mechanism. So once you fill it up, you can open it simply by pulling the handle. I'll show you how that works here in a minute. But you just simply roll over the walnut. And did you see it? I'm gonna try to get you up close for this next one. Watch what happens. There you go. It just pops in there. So this thing can hold, I would say, about 10 to 12, and then you'll start to not pick them up. So let me go ahead and fill up some more. We got them about filled, so now we're just going to go over to the wheelbarrow. And once you're on here, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. You just want to turn it, pull the trigger, and give it a little shake. And then let it go and keep on going. And a little extra bonus tip, sometimes when you start to get a few in there, they just don't want to get in there. And especially when it's just filled up more and you don't want to keep walking back and forth. If you pull on it, a lot of times it just kind of pushes itself in there. You're forcing it a whole lot more. Let's do it again here. That just gets you in there a lot quicker if you're just trying to get them. Because, like, look here. Well, I got that one. But watch this one. They went into. But sometimes the ones that are stuck in the ground, a little more, maybe like this one. See, it just skipped it. So if I come back forth on it, now it's in there. You don't have to worry about it. So it makes it a little easier to fill them up a whole lot more than you really normally could. So in a matter of about 20 minutes, and that's taking some time to make this video as well, I've got them all done. So it really doesn't take that long, because normally it would take us, multiple days, and snow shovels, regular shovels, the kids counting, creating a game to figure out who can pick up the most, none of that. 20 minutes, done. Started when the sun was already down, and I'm finished before it's completely dark. So there's another bonus thing for you. It takes up way less time to do. So as I said, sometimes doing it yourself when it comes to yard work is just easier, it's cheaper, and honestly it's a lot of fun. I've had my daughter do this, and she's actually enjoyed it. It does kind of make a task that is really not fun. I find myself just wanting to come out here to do it because I've got this tool. If you have a black walnut tree, you do know that not every year is the same. Usually it's in every other year where it's very heavy, and this is the heavy year for our tree, so it is everywhere. I'll have this all cleared today, and it's going to be filled up tomorrow. So it's heavy, but next year won't be so bad. So you don't have to feel like you're stuck in that mundane. But I hope this little video helps you out, this little tool. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this little different version of a DIY home kind of thing. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more things like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.